Amam step na kan ezigbo mmadụ na this our country. Otu a hardship si wedere. Otu a ife isi ike si wedere na this country. Amam step na kan nwere ezigbo mmadụ. Watch na this keke rider, this keke man. If na mmadụ chefu 4 million naira na keke. 4 million naira na keke. Makwa man na this keke this man na anya bụ high purchase. No high purchase ka this man bụ this keke. And to keke ta no grebe 3 million naira. Man echefuo 4.5 million naira n'ime keke. This man onye Abia State. They will repay the 4.5 million naira. Return all to the owner. Yes, mpụtazie comment section na for some rubbish comments in them mmadụ na-ekwu. One person wanna say na this man like to suffer, this keke man like to suffer. And out of age, this person commenting this type of comments. Obo no get for 4.5 million naira na keke mmadụ obo na moto mmadụ. Onya ewetere gị Keke obegi si degi. Yes, Keke obegi si we degi. For example, na phone gị efu ị na-agba the person na phone. Onye ahụ ị na-agba na phone, azụ no ga return that phone. Ye boy ajọ mmadụ. Duto omego mmadụ na onye mere ya kịta onye keke return 4.5 million naira to the right owner of the onye keke. I mean, to the right owner of the person. Mmadụ be mana na this keke man like to suffer. Now, may play to those the video. Go for the type of praises, the type of photo, the type of blessing and this man. He is because of this. So people know that no anako yati. Keke man will ruby or chain in return 4.5 million naira. All for him make keke to the right owner, Mali begi, and as soon as this man, this keke rider like to suffer. Why some people are not no anako yati. Just watching this video, go for the type of blessing, the type of praises and this keke rider. Just watch this video.
Yeah, one year I'm on one man. Manager for 4 million a year. He's a tricycle man. Someone forgot this morning on his tricycle. He's about 4 million naira. He's the woman that has the money. Yeah, it's in Aba. The money, having the money.
If we're in this life, it is good to be good. Forget about what we take you to be good. Yes, this man wrote this 4.5 million naira. Merioma return well. Some people are now calling the man like to suffer. Now commenting the man is a fool. Going to some comments now for saying. Yes, one of them man it made him mad you to be mayor. This man could be return of 4.5 million naira. Remember this keke on high purchase. Okay, require you with that 3 million naira you make down. We can go kick off for. But you could be ready to return that money to the right owner. What there is. If onye mere you ma to ya, una akọchazi na mmadụ. Because obu no nkewa. Be echefu such money na keke. Onye with the money had return your back. How will you feel about it? You guy ebe one na onye were ga no ga data na mma no kwesịrị return that money to the right owner. Onye nke return ha return. Mmadụ ibe uta mmadụ ibe m no. Ana comment rubbish na comment section. Na say that na this keke rider like to suffer. You go commenting this type of thing. Yeah, to no ngewa phone give na rege na ina kpokwada line. Onya say na oge wetere gi. Gwa gi ho na oge wetere gi. How will you feel about that? Yes, it is good to be good. Na eme you my case your own time made mere gi. Una eju no na control no your job. This keke rider like to suffer. For what reason Keke na comment this type of thing? The man like to suffer because of no Merioma return or 4.5 million naira to the right owner. Go poor, but if you Thanks for watching.